To the Tech Force Airgun Guru show. And today the old guru's got something special for you. This is a 3x12x44 scope. And what's unique about this scope is we've had this designed, and this is the end result. I'm going to talk about some features on it here. First, of course, the length is 13¼ inches long. It has a 4-inch eye relief. You have your 3:12 adjustment on magnification back here at your fingertips when it's mounted. And this is your adjustable objective here on the rear. Before, on the other scopes, we had them on the front. So we have all your adjustments as far as focus on the rear of the scope. Now here's your horizontal and your elevation. Your left and right, and your up and down. Of course, one click, 1/4 inch. But what is unique about this scope, and I'm going to roll it over here where you can see it. You have a 1, and I think you can see that there. Let me roll it over here to the back part, to 11 intensity. Let me move back here where you can see it. Kind of moving around too much. This, in the center of the scope, is a point sight. So you can adjust the intensity of the point sight itself by clicking this turret from 1 to 11. Of course, 11 is the heavy red intensity, and down 1 is a light red intensity. So you have a combination point sight and 3:12x44 scope. And of course, as all Tech Force product scopes, we got our dust covers with the tinted lenses. Of course, our turret covers, and we'll just roll this back here where you can see it. Screw that down, screw that down. So this is just coming in to us from our factory, and we're real happy with it. The old guru will be mounting one on his favorite gun here shortly. But I think it's going to be a real hit with everybody because people always love point sights. So here you have both. You have the 3:12x44 with a point sight in the middle. And that's what's illuminated, not your crosshairs. You have your standard crosshairs, but the point sight with the 11 different intensities on the beam itself. So from the Tech Force Airgun Guru, have a nice day.